G'day everyone. Doing a bit of work, glazing up some windows, placing the glass. There's the glass. Cleaned up the window. This one's got the rebate. You can see that. Rebate. Wait, it's got a groove in there. Sorry. Just you just working it in with your thumb, scraping it off the edge, rotating the putty. Helps if the putty's nice and warm. Yeah. Just work a little bit into the lower edge. Yeah, there you go. If you think it's a bit thin, you can always add a bit. Glass. Push it in. You can see the glass there. Just push. Because the oil's on the hands, you can slide your hand on the glass. It's pretty good. It sort of comes like that. You just push them in like that. There we go. I'll get in and finish the other one, and then I'll get you back the other two bits. Get your knife, push it in on the angle. So we're all done. Just a bit of hot water will get oily stains off. And that, bit of a clean up. It'll actually clean up a little bit of that as well. But the idea is that this putty the top should line up with the existing rebate. Probably a little fat there. It is. See, that looks much better. Even that's still a bit fat. Yeah, some hot water, clean all that off, all the oily marks, and then it's right to go. And yeah, that's a bit of putty work for you. Thanks for watching. See you later. Soft brush, be best. You just sort of, I usually do the back first. Just get it into all the corners. Try not to push too hard. Liberal. And just whack it on. Once you think you got enough done on the back side, turn it over. Try not to touch the putty. Yeah. And watch it disappear. If you do get brush marks on the putty, you can clean that up with the putty knife later after it dries. Not that it takes long. Doing hot water. There, all done. Quick little tip. Okay, thanks for coming. And just remember to like and subscribe. And for more tips on the work or my travelling stuff. Okay, bye now.